What's up, YouTube? This video is going to be about just making my fixing up my Pixel 6 Pro. It's the screen was water damaged and the back was cracked, so I decided to make the back clear. I ordered it from eBay. I put everything down below, and I ordered the screen from AliExpress. It was a poor quality screen. Well, it is a poor quality screen, but I'm trying to get like a not important. It wasn't the best quality screen. It works. I'm currently using the Pixel. That's the footage you're seeing now. And yeah, just enjoy the video. It's not a how-to really. I'll link. What is that? Sorry, I'm at work. But I'll link down better videos that are better how-tos. But yeah, this is just kind of a video to lead you on to something. I have no clue. I just put it together, and yeah, hopefully help somebody out there. Peace. These will be my tools. This is the screen. This is the back glass. We got the clamps here, the glue, our toolkit, obviously the Pixel. I forgot to mention that you do want to get some glasses, some protective glasses, and a heat gun in order to do this process. Also some gloves, that's very important. You can use any sharp object. Here I decided to use a knife. It was effective. As you can see here, I am heating up the edges. That's what helps get the glue softened. Then you try to cut through the glue with a sharp object. For a lot of it, you can just tear the glass off. That's what I did for a majority of it. But you gotta watch out for the charging coil if you want to keep that. I kept mine, but I'm not sure if it even works because I don't really use this extremely slow charging. Like, I don't know why Google even put that on there. Yep. Don't forget to clean your area often. I got cut during this process actually. Very sharp glass. I am also doing the screen removal here at the same time, and it's kind of the same process. You just want to go slowly, heat up the edges, and cut through the glue. Make sure not to go too deep with the razor blade, otherwise you kind of risk cutting the screen cable. Yeah, puncture T4. By the way, you can reuse the display. I'm pretty sure that's obvious, but yeah, I kind of heated it up too much, and I also was too forceful with it. So usually this process destroys the screen that you are changing out. Just to let you guys know. The bit that I am using is a T4. So the kit that I will link down below also has that screw in it. It's about 20 to 30 bucks, and I think it's worth it if you do this hobby of changing screens or such. So you can see the corrosion here. So the phone might be dead. But this looks like too much rust. Corrosion. There wasn't too much corrosion on the phone itself, so it still works, hopefully for a long time. Who knows though. You know, I gotta write something on it just so you can say you were in there. Truly custom. Yeah, I just wrote my name and my fiance's name. Shout out to her. She's wonderful. Here you can see that I am putting the old fingerprint on the new screen. You can just heat it up and remove it with a razor blade and a playing card or any type of card that's thin, so you can get under there without cutting it. Now time for glue. I'm no expert. I was just applying glue to all the metal. I seen it in the video that I will link in down below, but yeah, I think it came out pretty nice. clamps. Clamp them up. If you got this far, congratulations. Give yourself a pat on the back.